Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MongoDB with Docker and connect using Node step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Docker installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type the command to pull the MongoDB image from Docker Hub. Use the command docker pull mongo. Once the image is pulled, run the MongoDB container. Use the command docker run name MongoDB 27017:27017 Mongo. This command names your container MongoDB and maps port 27017. Next, confirm that your MongoDB container is running. Use the command docker ps. You should see your MongoDB container in the list. Now, let's set up a new Node.js project. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Use dir my Mongo app followed by cd my Mongo app. Initialize your Node.js project with npm init. This command creates a package.json file. Next, install the required packages for your application. Use the command npm install express mongoose. Now, let's create the main application file. Create a file named app.js. Open app.js in your preferred text editor. In this file, require the necessary packages at the top. Add the lines const express equals require express and const mongoose equals require mongoose. Set up a basic express application. Initialize the app with const app equals express. Before we connect to MongoDB, define the connection string. Use the connection string const URI equals MongoDB // localhost 27017 / my database. This string connects to the MongoDB instance running in your Docker container. Now connect to MongoDB using Mongoose. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.